One of the main questions that drives a lot of my research is how can we best think of ourselves and our responsibilities as citizens of a particular state, but in a world that's deeply interconnected and deeply unjust in many different ways. So today in my seminar, I'm going to be introducing my political theory of citizenship. And it's a theory that tries to take seriously the fact that we are citizens of a particular state, and on the whole, citizens seem committed to the fact that they belong to a particular state and they have a certain relationship to their fellow citizens. But it also wants to take into account the fact that we have some moral duties in virtue of the fact that we're all humans that go way beyond the borders of our particular state. So it's an account of citizenship that is state-based, but it's globally oriented. And one of the things that I think really comes out of this theory is the argument I make that citizens of democracies are therefore responsible as a collective for a lot of what their state does in the global sphere and the way in which that impacts on others outside of our own state. So traditionally, when we think about citizenship, we often only thinking about the duties we might have to our fellow citizen, and that's reflected in a lot of the political theory literature on citizenship. But my account tries to push us beyond this, to think about duties we might have as citizens that are outward looking. So they're duties we have because we're a member of a particular state, but a state that acts in the international stage in our interests and has impacts on others outside of our borders.